This is the bird dog exercise. To begin the bird dog, you want to place your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips, about hip width apart. We want to make sure that our pelvis is in a neutral position, so not too far forward or back. We want to find that neutral position. Engage our core. To start off with the bird dog, you can either do just arms or legs by reaching one arm, holding for 2 to 3 seconds, returning to the start position and switching hands. Or you can do this with your legs for 2 to 3 seconds. And to do a progression of the bird dog, you can reach your opposite arm and opposite leg, hold for 2 to 3 seconds, and return to the start position.